In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a markdown block in Squarespace. If you want to quickly adjust the formatting and content inside a markdown block, Squarespace makes the process pretty straightforward once you know where to click. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the block, access the editor, and make text changes using basic markdown styling options. To begin, go to the page where your markdown block is located and click directly on the markdown block. This selects the block so Squarespace knows which piece of content you want to work on. If you have several blocks on the page, this is an important first step because it ensures you're editing the correct section. Take a second to confirm that the block you selected is the one you want to customize before moving on. Once the markdown block is selected, click the pencil icon to edit it. This opens the block editor where you can modify the content inside. The pencil icon is the main edit control for blocks in Squarespace, so whenever you need to update text or formatting, this is usually the tool you'll use. If the editor doesn't open right away, just make sure the block is still selected and try again. After the editor opens, you can start editing the text. This is where you can update wording, correct mistakes, replace existing content, or refine the structure of what's already there. Markdown blocks are especially useful if you prefer working with lightweight formatting rather than relying on a visual toolbar. As you edit, it helps to keep your text clean and organized, so the final result is easy to read on the live page. You can also customize the appearance of your content by using markdown formatting for bold text, block quotes, and italic text. These options let you add emphasis and create a clearer visual hierarchy in your writing. For example, bold text can help important words stand out. Italics can add subtle emphasis, and block quotes are useful when you want a section of text to be visually separated from the rest. Using these styles thoughtfully can make your content more polished without overcomplicating the design. As you make changes, it's a good idea to review the text carefully for formatting consistency and readability. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how professional the final block looks, and that's how to customize a markdown block in Squarespace. Once you've selected the block, opened the editor, updated the text, and applied markdown styling like bold, block quotes, or italics, you're all set.